Hello guys, we're going to discuss about class 9 maths problem today. So as we can see here, these are the problem that we're going to solve today. So firstly, we're given with some expression. So this expression, we're going to use it in order to solve an example. Okay. So here we are given with some expression. So if you got an expression like this, you can express in the form of this. Okay. So likewise, you can, if this kind of expression is there, then you can express in the form of this. So likewise, even in this 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So you have to express according to the question. Okay. So here we are given with some expression. So you are going to express in this way. Okay. So this is all about some expressions and their resulted expressions, okay, after simplification. Now we are going to solve this one. So what is this? Simplify the following expression. So firstly we're given with the Roman number 1 problem, that is 5 plus root 7. Okay, 2 plus how much? Root 5. So if you multiply these two, first 5 and this will be multiplied. Okay, 2 plus how much? Root 5 plus, you have to write plus here, then root over 7. Okay, root over 7, then 2 plus how much? Root 5. So if you multiply these two, how much will you get? 10 plus 5 times 5 times 5, that will give you root 5, plus 7 times 2 will give you 2 times 7, 2 root over 7, 7 times 5, that will give you 35. Okay, so that's all. Then let us proceed to the next problem, that is number 2. Okay, in number 2 we have 5 plus root 5, 5 minus root 5. Okay, so here we can use some expression, that is, let us assume that this value says a and this value says b. Okay, so a plus b, a minus b. So which formula that we can use? That is a square minus b square. Here it will be a square. Okay, b square, what will be the values of b square? That is root 5 square. Okay, so let us so let us cut this one. 5 square, that will give you 25, and then 5. 25 minus 5, that will give you 20. Okay, that's all. Then let us proceed to this number 3. So in number 3 we're given with root 3 plus root 7. Okay, so let us solve this one. Let us assume that this value says a and this value says b. A plus b holding square, we can say like this. Okay, so let us take this one, root 3 square plus 2 ab. Where is a? That is root 3, and where is b? That is 7. Okay, then root 7 holding square. Square and root cancel, that is 3 plus 2, 3 times 7, that will give you 21 plus 7. Okay, now let us bring this 7 into that side, that means 3 plus 7 plus 2, then 21. Okay, so 3 plus 7, that will give you 10. Okay, plus 2 root 21. Okay, if you want to expand this one, then even you can expand like this by taking common. Okay, 2 5 2 into 21. Okay, so you can expand in this way. If you want to stop in here, then also you can stop it. Okay, so that's all. Then let us proceed to this number, Roman number 4. Okay, what is the question? That is root over 11, root 7, and what is that? The next, that is root 11 plus root 7. Okay, so this is in the form of a minus b, a plus b, so we can express it in the form of a square minus b square. Okay, so square and root cancel, 11 minus 7, that will give you how much? That will give you 4. Okay, then let us proceed to this problem, that is rationalize the denominator of 1 by root 2. Okay, if it talks about rationalize the denominator, that means whatever it is and whatever it is in the denominator, that is, you have to express this denominator in the form of rational. Okay, or you have to convert this denominator in the form of rational. So the process of converting this number or this denominator in the form of rational, we call it as rationalize the denominator. Okay, now what do we have? That is 1 by root 2. Then how can we do? That is 1 by root 2. So here it will be 1. Okay, so root 2 divided by root 2, that will give you 1. Okay, that will give you 1. So here let us put 1. So in order to express in the form of, or in order to convert this number in the rational number, okay, we have to put root 2 divided by root 2. Okay, so if you got this one, then it will get the same, that is 1. It will get 1. So if you multiply 1 with this, then it will get this. Okay, so we just made it in this form in order to convert the denominator in rational number. Okay, root 2 times root 2, that will give you root 2 holding square. Here root 2 into 1, that will give you root 2 square and root cancel, that is root 2 divided by 2. Okay, so that's all. Then let us move to this. Okay, even in here we have to rationalize the given expressions or the given number. Okay, so you are going to do it like this: 2 plus root 3, 1 by 2 plus root 3. Okay, so you have to multiply with 2 minus root 3. Okay, here actually the process will be a bit different because we are going to express this in the form of rational number. Okay, in order to express it, we are going to put minus here. If we put minus, then if we put minus, then we can use a square minus b formula in the denominator. Okay, that is 2 square minus root 3 square. Okay, so 2 minus 3, 2 square will give you 4. So square and root cancel, that is 3. Okay, so 2 minus 3, that is divided by 1. Okay, so usually we don't use to write 1, so we just write it as 2 root 3. Okay, so that's it. So if you have any difficulties in understanding, please comment down below. Okay, let us move to the example 19. So what do we have in example 19? That is rationalize the denominator of 5 divided by 5 by root 3 minus root 5. Okay, solution: 5 divided by root 3 minus root 5. Okay, 5 root 3 minus root 5 into here if it is plus minus, then in this form we have to express it here plus. Okay, root 3 plus 5. So if you cut this one, then it will get a 1. So if you multiply with 1 and this, then it will get the same. Okay, in order to express this number, this denominator in the form of rational, we just made it in this way. Okay, so if you multiply this 2, then it will get 5 root 3 plus 5 root 5. Okay, so in the denominator, if you multiply with this, then it will get root 3 holding square, that is a square minus b square. Okay, that is, so 5 root 3 plus 5 root 5. Okay, so square and root cancel, that is 3 minus 5. Okay, so 5, we can write it in this way, that is 5 by minus 2. Okay, so if you subtract this one, 3 minus 5, so 5 minus 3, that will give you 2, but the greater sign is minus, so you have to keep it like this. Okay, then root 3 plus root 5. Okay, so if you multiply with this, then it will get the same, and if you subtract this one, then it will get minus 2. Okay, or 5 root 3 plus 5 root 5 divided by 3 minus 5. Okay, so if you express, or if you expand a little bit more, that means 5 root 3 plus 5 root 5. So if you subtract this one, then it will get 2. Then what is the greater sign? That is minus. Okay, so here let us move 5. Okay, yes, let us take 5 as common factor, or no, let us take 5 as a common root 5. Okay, so now we have minus 2. Okay, so let us write 5 by minus 2 into root 3 plus root 5. Okay, so this is what we wrote here. Okay, now For the last problem, let us proceed to the example 20. So in example 20, we are given with 1 by 7 plus 3 root 2. Okay, 1 plus 7 plus 3 root 2. Okay, 1 plus 7 plus 3 root 2. If we have plus here, then we are going to convert plus into minus, or we are going to make plus into minus. Okay, 7 minus 3 root 2. Okay. Now let us multiply this one, then we will get 3 root 2. Okay, 7 minus 3 root 2. If you multiply this two, then here it is divided with a minus b, a plus b equal to a square minus b square. So you have to use that formula. So where is a? Let us take this one as a, and let us take this one as b. Okay, a square, that is 7 square minus b square. Where is b? That is 3 root 2. Okay, 3 root 2 holding square. 7 minus 3 root 2, 7 square, that will give you 49. So 3 square root square. Okay, because 3 has square as well as root 2 has a square. Square and root cancel. So 7 minus 3 root 2, so 49. So 3 square, that will give you 9, then 2. Okay, so 7 minus how much? 3 root 2. So 49 minus 18. Okay, 7 minus 3 root 2. So 49 minus 49 minus 18, that will give you 131. Okay, that is 31. Okay, so this is all about the problem today we are going to discuss today. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Wish you all the best. We'll see you in the next class.